Hello friends, today we're learning about fractions. We're going to learn how to split up an object into different pieces. So let's get started. So what are fractions? Fractions are a piece or a portion of a whole object. That object can be a toy, it can be food, it can be paper. Anytime you break something up into pieces, each piece is a fraction of the whole object. And in this lesson, we are focusing on fractions of a whole. We're going to learn how to identify them, and we're going to learn how to create different pieces of a whole object and give them the appropriate name. The first type of fraction we're going to be learning about is called half. Half, can you say it again? Half. Half means when you divide an object into two equal parts and all the parts are the same size. Half is when you get two equal pieces from an object or a shape. So let's look at my first shape here. This is a circle. Amazing. This is a circle. And I'm just going to take out my two halves there so you can see. This black line is helping me divide the circle in the middle. So this half is one and this half is another one. So as you can see, I have divided this circle into two equal pieces. These semicircles are half of the full circle. Can you see? Half of the circle. So I have two pieces. So let's come over to this shape. This is a square. Amazing. This is a square. And I have divided this square at the middle using this black line here. And as you can see, just like the circle, I have two equal pieces. So one, two. Can you see how they fit into the main blue circle? So this is one half and this is another half. Two equal pieces make half of the square. And when you're writing half in your book, this is what it looks like. 1/2. So there's a 2 at the bottom to show you that there are two equal pieces, and there's 1 at the top to show you it is one piece. So this orange semicircle is half of this blue circle. This yellow semicircle is another half of this blue circle. This orange rectangle is half of the blue square. Let's drop it back. And this yellow rectangle is another half of this blue square. So when you want to write half like a number, you write 1, you give a slant, and you put a 2 at the bottom. Amazing. The next fraction we're learning about is 1/3. 1/3 of a whole means you're cutting an object into three equal parts, and all the parts are the same size. When you get three equal pieces or parts from an object or shape, you have 1/3 of the whole. So 1/3 is the fraction, which is written as 1/3. 1 slant 3. That's how you write this fraction, 1/3. And I'm going to show you with my shape, just like how I did with the half fraction. So this is a square, and I have used the black lines to divide it into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. And all 3 pieces are the same size. And we have come out of 1 square. The first piece 1, the second piece 2, and the third piece 3, all come together to make one big blue square. So this fraction, when you divide an object into 3, is called 1/3 or 1/3. The third fraction we're going to learn is the quarter. The quarter of a whole is when you cut an object into 4 equal parts and all the parts are the same size. When you get 4 equal pieces from an object or a shape, you have gotten 1/4. 1/4 is written as 1/4. 4 is at the bottom, 1 is at the top. So 1/4 is 1/4. A quarter is a 4th piece or 4th angle of an object. So let's look at our circle again. This is a circle that has been divided into 4 using 2 black lines. One that comes down as a stroke and another one that goes across as a dash. This is the first piece 1. This is the second piece 2. This is the third piece 3. And this is the fourth piece 4. Can you see all 4 portions have come out from one blue circle? And we're going to put them back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all 4 of them are the same size. I just made them different colors so that you can see and appreciate their differences. Can you see? They're all the same and they've all come out of one blue circle. So we're going to put them back again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 parts of one blue circle. So we're going to come here. This is a square, okay? And this square has been divided, just like the circle, into 4 equal parts. And I've used the yellow lines to divide the circle. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal squares that are the same size. Can you see? They're the same size that have come out of one big blue square. So let's put them back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 equal sides that represent a quarter or 1/4. Amazing.